Hey everyone, Adriel from Active Demand here, and today I want to show you our new in-product personal trainer. It's a helpful tool that we're adding more guides into every day, and since it knows which part of the platform you're on, it can help you learn and use the interface. When you're logged into Active Demand, there's a new clipboard in the bottom right. This is going to help you get access to the most helpful guides that we think people need when first starting out. Once you've selected a guide, our personal trainer will highlight next steps and show you helpful tips as you go along. There's also a new Show Me How feature on the right-hand side. This is where you can browse or search through our helpful step-by-step guides and videos. Another feature of this personal trainer is adding in lots more tooltips and definitions right inside the interface. We're really loving this because it adds in lots of additional information in a really easy to find spot. If you have any questions, if you see a spot where we could improve the personal trainer, or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in our video series, definitely reach out to us and let us know so that we can continue making Active Demand better and easier to use.